Hi everyone! Remember this week we're learning about the skeletal system and bones. To start out with today, I have a book to share with you. So let's take a peek at this book. It's called Body Bones. We all have a skeleton made of many bones. Bones are alive. Did you know that? They grow as you grow. As your bones grow longer, you grow taller. Bones have special jobs to do. They give you your shape. They support, protect, and help you move. Your bones fit together like a puzzle to form your skeleton, just like the framework of a house. Your body has a framework of bones. The bones on top of your head are called a skull. Your skull protects your brain just like a bicycle helmet. The bones in your rib cage curve around your chest and protect your heart, lungs, and other internal organs. Many other animals have bones too. That's why I picked this book. It also teaches us about some animal bones. It's pretty neat. Animal skeletons each have different shapes with a different number of bones. They help creatures walk, run, swim, fly, or move. Horses have 205 bones. Rabbits have 200 bones. Some birds have 122 bones. Fully grown humans have, do you remember how many? 206 bones. Snakes have anywhere, oh my goodness, from 600 to 1,200 bones. Because they can have as many as 400 bones in their spine, snakes are extremely flexible. Fish have hundreds of bones. Their skeletons are shaped like arrows. This shape allows them to move easily through the water. Larger fish can have as many as 1,500 bones. Fascinating, oh my goodness. When you're born, your bones are soft. They get harder as you grow. They keep growing until you are about 25 years old. Babies are born with 270 bones, and then some of them fuse or grow together until they have 206 bones in all. Isn't this neat? You can see the bones of the baby, child, and then the adult. Tadpoles are baby frogs. At first, they only have soft cartilage. As they grow older and change into frogs, the cartilage changes into bones. Skeletons are usually symmetrical. That means that they're the same on both sides. Turtles are born with rib cages that fuse together with the spine and pelvis to form a shell. I never knew that's what the shell was. Amazing. Elephants have long, thick leg bones that help support their big size and weight. Birds have light, hollow bones. That means they're empty on the inside. And large wing bones for flying. Bones are hard and come in all shapes and sizes. There are long bones, curved bones, and even flat bones. Teeth are bones too. Teeth are covered with enamel and are the hardest part of your body. Different kinds of teeth are good at doing different things. Cows have flat teeth for chewing plants. Cats have pointy teeth for biting. Beavers have wide, chisel-shaped teeth for cutting through wood. Oh, and I skipped one up here. Birds don't have any teeth, but they have beaks that work somewhat like teeth. Human children have 20 teeth. Hang on, let's pause this. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to pause the story for a minute because my dog was barking at some turkeys. Okay, so human children have 20 teeth by the time they are 3 years old. Oh my goodness. Eventually, their baby teeth fall out and 32 permanent or adult teeth replace them. Crocodiles have 64 to 69 teeth. Every time a tooth falls out, a new one grows in its place. So crocodiles pretty much have twice as many teeth as humans. But then again, think of how long their mouth is. They have a lot more space. Puppies have 28 teeth. Just like humans, dogs lose their baby teeth. A full-grown dog has 42 permanent teeth. I know Jerry Ann has a puppy right now, and her puppy is actually losing its baby teeth. So she has a puppy with some missing teeth. Let's see if I can, there we go. Not all animals have bones. Jellyfish are soft and don't have any bones at all. Sharks have skeletons made of flexible cartilage instead of bone, but they have hundreds of bone teeth. Whenever a tooth falls out, a new one replaces it. Insects and crustaceans don't have any bones inside their bodies. Instead, they have exoskeletons that cover the outside of their body. They have that hard shell on the outside. Bones are made up of different layers. So I really want you to pay attention to this part because we're going to do a little project with this today. Bones are made up of different layers. They're hard on the outside and soft on the inside. And you can see in this picture, there's the outer layer of bone, the compact bone here, spongy bone, and then inside marrow. Some bones have spongy marrow in the center that helps make your blood. Some horns are made of bone. When bones are buried in the ground for a long time and the conditions are just right, they can turn into fossils. That's how we learn about dinosaurs and other animals from long ago. Bones are held together by strong, stretchy tendons and ligaments that are like rubber bands. Muscles push and pull your bones and help your body move. Your elbows and knees are connected by joints. There are several joints in each finger. Right? So you can move your fingers. Joints let your bones bend and twist so you can run and play. Bones are strong and flexible, but they can break. The body starts to repair broken bones right away. Has anyone ever broken a bone before? I have never broken a bone. I've broken my nose, but that's cartilage, and I've never broken a bone. Silas once broke his wrist. Broke like right above his wrist. Once when he was playing tennis, he fell and broke his wrist. And he had to wear a cast for a little bit. Eating foods that are rich in a mineral called calcium helps your bones grow strong and hard and stay healthy. Exercise, eat healthy, and take care of your bones because they have an important job to do. That's the end of our book. Okay, so today I want you to find your paper that looks like this. Okay, so find that paper and meet me back here with your paper and a pencil and we'll get to work. Okay, see you in a few. Okay, so you should have your paper and we're ready to work. So this says up at the top, what's inside a bone? And this is like a cross section, means you can see inside of something. Okay, so it's pointing here, this arrow points to the compact bone. This arrow here is pointing to the marrow, which is that inside part. And this is pointing to the spongy bone. Okay, so we want to write a little bit about each of those parts. So let's first look at the compact bone. And this is the hard part of bones. It's what you're looking at when you see a skeleton. That's the outside of the bones. That's the compact bone. So let's put here, to help us remember what that is, let's write hardest part. Okay? So let's write, I'm going to write in capital letters. Let's see. H-A-R-D-E-S-T, hardest part. P-R-A-R-T, hardest part. Okay, that's your compact bone. It's the hardest part. Okay, so you can pause me and write this. The compact bone, that outer part there is the hardest part. Let's go down here to the spongy bone. Spongy bone. This part of the bone is spongy and it's lighter than the compact bone. It's not very heavy because it's spongy. So we're just going to write for that one. We're going to write spongy. And see, the word spongy is right here, S-P-O-N-G-Y. So you can copy that if you want to. I'm going to also write it here so you can see mine. You can pause me to write that. That's the spongy bone. And then up here is the marrow. That's the interesting part of the bone. And it's kind of like jelly. So that's the first thing we'll write. Let's write like jelly. So can you picture jelly like that you might have on toast or that you might have with a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? That's the kind of consistency that it has. It's like jelly. Okay. And this is the neat thing about it, is this is the part of your body that makes blood. So let's write that. Makes blood. It's like jelly and it makes blood. That's so interesting. That's where the blood for your body is made, in the middle of your bones. Fascinating. So remember in the book, we learned that your bones are alive. They're not, when I think of bones, I don't picture them as alive, but they're alive. And remember, we learned that as you grow, your bones grow. Okay, so if you need to pause me to finish writing any of these parts, go ahead. Pause me and finish. See when you're finished if you can remember the names of these and what the different things about them, their characteristics. So what's compact bone? What did we write about that? And what did we learn about the spongy bone? How about the marrow? What did we learn about the marrow? Okay, so go ahead, finish that up, and I'll see you later.